Hello all. In this video, we will be learning two of the Python programs. So the very first program is to determine factorial of a number. We have several methods to determine factorial of a number. So in general, the mathematical formula is if it is 5 factorial, then it means that 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is the exact expansion. So here I am giving the value as n is equal to 6. So factorial I am initializing as 1, which I will be using in the loop. For I in range 1, comma n plus 1 means I want the loop to get executed in the range of 1 to this number 6 plus 1, which is nothing but 7. So when the loop goes to 7, the loop gets exited and the loop will not be executed. So as according to this program, as the number is n is equal to 6. So this is what I have to give in the for loop for I in range 1, comma n plus 1. So what is the formula? Factorial asterisk equal to I, which means that factorial is equal to factorial multiplied with I. So instead of giving the word fact, F-A-C-T, twice, I am using a short form factorial asterisk is equal to I. So on executing, the program will be executed inside the for loop and I will be getting the value as FACT, fact, and that value will be printed in print using a print function. So print of fact 6 factorial is nothing but 720. So the next method to do factorial of a number is importing using the function import. Import math function. So there is a predefined formula or like a command in Python programming. So that is nothing but math dot factorial of n. So factorial of n can be FACT of n. So that is our wish. But I have to define. So if I give FACT of n means that has to be defined in this place. DEF fact of n that I can use along with a math variable, along with a math function. So I'm defining the term, I'm making use of the math function math dot fact of n or factorial of n, which means that I'm determining factorial of the value 5. That value will be printed. So 5 factorial is nothing but 120. So the next program is to determine sum of squares of first n natural numbers. So for this we have to know the formula summation I square is equal to n into n plus 1 multiplied with 2n plus 1 divided by 6. This formula I have to know. So n value I know very well as I'm giving the value n as 5. So the result RES is equal to n multiplied with n plus 1 multiplied with 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. Whenever in Python programming, if you give double slash, it means that I'm rounding off the value and I am getting the output. So if I give one slash, then the decimal values will also be displayed. But if I give double slash, then only one of the value, uh, that means the value will be rounded and it will be displayed. So here I am giving the formula print of RES and the output gets displayed as 55. So the next program is to print the ASCII value of a character. So this is completely predefined inside the Python programming. So first I want to tell the user what I'm doing. So for which I'm using the ash symbol Python program to print ASCII value of character. In C, we can assign different characters of which we want ASCII value. So here I want the system to display the ASCII value of C. So C is equal to ASCII value of G. So I'm giving C is equal to G. The next line, what I'm going to do is print the ASCII value of the assigned character in C. Okay. So all these are like inbuilt. Finally, I will be getting the value for G. G is a character and its ASCII value is 103. So how I want to get displayed? The ASCII value of G is 103. So whenever you are doing Python programming, you have to give either the double quotation or the single quotation, and here comma should be there. ORD of C is the inbuilt Python command to give the ASCII value of C. So if I want to get the value of B or G, ORD of B or ORD of G. So that can be given here. Yeah. Uh, I hope you would have learned from the video. See you in the next one. Until then, it's bye bye from Radhika.